Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely superb and stunning BMW X3. It's the 3-litre diesel. It's the xDrive. Absolutely drives and performs superb. It's got the front park distance control, fully colour coded, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, the full M Sport body styling kit round it, twin exhausts, absolutely stunning looking car. High level of specification with this one as well. We've got the electric rear tailgate, interior and the boot is absolutely fantastic, not being knocked about. Full leather interior with the white stitch piping. So we've got the carpet mats to the rear as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors, M Sport kick plate, automatic headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox. Starts up and sounds absolutely lovely. Got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, Eco Pro Sport mode here. What comes up on here as well. It's got satellite navigation, as you can see there. Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, DAB radio, centre armrest, aux and a USB. So it sounds absolutely spot on. DJH. We provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.